Canadian Asylum in 7 Steps, Safe, Easy and Successful. Hello and welcome to Travel Tree, your trusted source for the latest updates on global travel, immigration, and relocation opportunities. Asylum in Canada provides refuge to individuals who face persecution in their home countries due to various factors such as race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or social group membership. Canada is known for its humanitarian values and commitment to protecting human rights, making it a popular destination for those seeking safety and security. Seeking asylum in Canada can be a vital step for individuals fleeing persecution in their home countries. The process starts at the entry point, where you declare your intention to seek protection. This comprehensive guide outlines the steps to take, the documents required, potential questions you may face, expected costs, processing times, and recommendations for a successful application. Types of asylum. In Canada, individuals can seek asylum through 3 main pathways. 1. Inside Canada, inland asylum application. Those who are already in Canada and have either entered legally or illegally can apply for asylum directly. This pathway is intended for individuals who are seeking protection from persecution after arriving in Canada. 2. Outside Canada, Refugee Resettlement Program. Individuals applying from outside Canada may seek asylum through resettlement programs. This process involves being referred to Canada by the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, or a private sponsorship group. The refugee must prove they fear persecution in their home country and that they meet Canada's definition of a refugee. 3. At the port of entry. Today we are going in detail of seeking asylum at the Canadian port of entry in 7 easy, safe, economical, and successful steps. I request to those who want to learn this procedure, be with us throughout the video to understand the process. If you are left with any question, please ask in comment section. We are here to answer your all questions. And if you are new to our channel, you are requested to subscribe to the channel Travel Tree, and be updated on all Canadian immigration news. Coming over to the first step. Step 1. Prepare before traveling to Canada. Research Canadian asylum policies. Familiarize yourself with the asylum process in Canada. Understand the criteria for refugee protection and the types of claims available. Gather required documents. While specific documents may vary based on individual circumstances, the following are generally advised. Identity documents, passport, national ID, or any other identification. Proof of persecution, any evidence that can support your claim, such as police reports, medical records, or personal statements. Supporting letters, references from organizations or individuals who can attest to your situation. Contact information for legal assistance, if possible. Have the information for NGOs or lawyers who specialize in immigration and refugee law. Step 2. Arriving at the Canadian border. Declare your intention to seek asylum. Upon arrival, inform the immigration officer that you wish to seek asylum in Canada. This can be done at any border crossing or airport. Complete necessary forms. The officer will provide you with the necessary forms for the asylum application, including the Basis of Claim (BOC) form. Step 3. Interview with immigration officers. Expect questions. During the initial interview, immigration officers will pose various questions to understand your situation better. Anticipate questions like: why did you leave your home country? What types of persecution are you experiencing or fear? Have you sought protection in another country? If so, what was the outcome? Do you have any documents to support your claim? Provide honest and detailed answers. It is important to answer all questions truthfully and with as much detail as possible. Inconsistencies in your testimony can negatively impact your claim. Step 4. Submit your asylum claim. Complete the Basis of Claim form. After your initial interview, you will need to fill out the BOC form, which requires detailed information regarding your personal experiences of persecution. Submit your claim. Submit the BOC form and any supporting documents to the Immigration and Refugee Board of Canada, IRB. The immigration officer will typically guide you on the submission process. Step 5. Processing your asylum claim. Processing time. Generally, asylum claims are processed within 6 to 12 months for inland claims, but timelines may vary depending on case complexity and workload. For refugee sponsorship cases, processing can often take longer. Work while awaiting decision. After filing your claim, wait for 30 days before applying for a work permit using the application for work permit made from inside Canada form, IMM 5710. Upon approval, you will be allowed to work while your claim is processed. Step 6. Hearings and decisions. Attend the hearing. You will be scheduled for a hearing at the IRB, where you can present your case and any additional evidence. Be prepared to answer further questions and provide more detailed accounts of your experiences. Receive a decision. After the hearing, the IRB will make a decision on your claim. You will receive a notification regarding the outcome, which may take several weeks to months. Step 7. If your claim is approved. Refugee status. If granted asylum, you will receive protected person status, allowing you to live, work, and access social services in Canada. Applying for permanent residency. As a protected person, you can apply for permanent residency after 1 year. Step 8. If your claim is denied. Understand the appeal process. If your claim is denied, you may have the option to appeal the decision to the Federal Court of Canada or seek a judicial review of your case. Consult a legal advisor to explore your options. Expenditures. Initial expenses. Include transportation to Canada, medical examinations, if required, and any costs associated with obtaining supporting documents. Additional costs. Potential legal fees if you choose to hire an immigration lawyer or consultant. Estimate these expenses based on the complexity of your case and professional fee structures. Recommendations for a successful application. 1. Be honest and consistent. Always provide truthful and consistent information throughout the process. Any discrepancies can undermine your claim. 2. Seek legal assistance. Engage with lawyers or NGOs that specialize in refugee law. They can help guide you through the complicated legal framework and provide essential support. 3. Document everything. Maintain comprehensive records of all incidents of persecution, as well as any communications with immigration authorities. 4. Prepare for interviews. Practice answering potential questions, focusing on the details of your claim and the conditions in your home country. 5. Stay engaged. Attend all scheduled appointments and communicate regularly with your legal representative to stay informed. Seeking asylum in Canada is a significant step toward finding safety from persecution. Understanding the steps involved in the asylum process, from declaring your intent at the border to navigating the complexities of hearings and appeals, is crucial for a successful outcome. Thorough preparation, legal support, and transparency will enhance your chances of being granted asylum and achieving a new beginning in Canada. If you or someone you know is considering this path, ensure that you take the necessary steps to be well informed and adequately prepared. Thank you for watching Travel Tree. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back soon with more immigration insights and travel updates. Until next time, take care, stay informed, and keep moving forward on your journey to Canada.